Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi Sukhija and I am going to tell you about CA course in a very simplified manner. But before we begin, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself and the reason why I have decided to make this video. For starters, I am from Chandigarh, India. I did my graduation in Commerce from Punjab University, Chandigarh. I did my Chartered Accountancy from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Currently, I am working as a senior consultant in transaction tax advisory in one of the most reputed firms in India. The reason why I have decided to make this video is that having lived here in Chandigarh almost all my life, the only thing I was good at is studying, or I thought so. I have decided to pursue chartered accountancy. It was a bit tough decision for me because being surrounded by a family of engineers where I could look up to none, because I have decided this career which was different from everyone in my family. The only thing I wished was I could talk to someone, share my fears and concerns about joining this course. That is why I have decided to make this video so as to simplify it for you. This video in no way is a claim that I am the most educated or experienced to make this video. However, one thing I know and I am very sure of that is I am someone who is very good at visualizing my goal and working really hard for achieving them. One advice I would like to give it to everyone who are thinking to join this CA course is that do your proper research. Read as many articles as you can so that you can make an informed decision. Talk to as many people as you can, assess their journey, ask their experiences and the challenges they have faced in their journey so that you can assess whether this is for you or not. I so wished I could talk to someone so that they can share their experiences before me joining the course. Of course, there are some articles published by Institute which are explaining about the CA course in India. However, I felt as a young student it was a bit technical for me to understand. Let's go ahead with our video and I'll be explaining everything about CA course in a very simplified manner. First of all, let us see how CA course is divided into various components. One is exams, another is practical training, another is short courses by Institute. Let's jump into the exam level. Exams are further subdivided into three main categories, that is foundation, intermediate and final. If you are someone who is in class 10th or 12th and you want to appear for CA foundation exam, then you have to score 50% or more marks if you are from commerce background and 55% or more marks if you are from non-commerce background. CA foundations consist of 4 papers which happens in May and November or June and December as per the dates decided by Institute. In order to clear CA foundation, you have to score 40% in each exam and 50% or more in the aggregate of all the exams. In order to register for CA Foundation exam, you have to go to the Institute website and register on or before January 1 for May cycle or on or before July 1 for November cycle. Once you have cleared CA Foundation exams, then you are eligible to appear for CA Intermediate exams. CA Intermediate exams consist of 8 papers which takes place in May and November, that is twice a year. CA Intermediate exams is divided into 2 groups, that is Group 1 consists of 4 papers and Group 2 consists of 4 papers each. This is as per your discretion if you want to appear for both the groups at once or at the different timings. In order to clear CA Intermediate exams, you have to score 40% or more in each of the exams and 50% or more in aggregate of the exams. You can also enter to CA course through a direct entry route. Direct entry route is basically applicable for the students who are graduated or post-graduated. That is, who have completed their graduation and post-graduation. If you have graduated or post-graduated in commerce stream, then you have to score 55% or more marks in your graduation in order to be eligible to appear for CA exams. If you are from non-commerce background, then it is mandatory for you to secure 60% or more marks in your graduation in order to be eligible for CA exams. If you are entering to CA course through a direct entry route, then you first have to undergo 9 months of practical training in order to be eligible for CA Intermediate exams. That is, if you are entering through a direct entry route, you do not have to give the papers for CA foundation. That is only for the people who are entering after class 12th in the CA course. Once you have cleared either one or both the groups of CA Intermediate exams, you are now eligible to undergo a practical training of 3 years, which is called as articleship. However, before registering for the articleship, you have to undergo the short courses as prescribed by institute in order to make yourself prepared for the articleship training. The short courses prescribed by the institute is ICITSS, which is Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills, which basically prepares you for the practical training and all the skills which you might need in your practical training. Once you have completed these courses as prescribed by ICAI, you are now eligible to register for the articleship, that is the practical training of 3 years. This practical training of 3 years will give you an exposure in the field of auditing, accounting, financing and taxation, and you can decide your articleship firm as per your wish, that is the Big 4 firm or the mid-size firm as what you want for you. Once you have completed your 2.5 years of articleship training and given the articleship exams which are as prescribed by ICAI, you are now eligible to be appear for CA Final. Before registering for CA Final, make sure you have completed your short course as prescribed by ICAI, which is again called as ICI TSS, which consists of 4 weeks training by ICAI. Once you have completed your ICI TSS, you are now eligible to register for CA Final exam. CA Final exams take place twice a year, that is May and November. If you have to register for CA Final exam, you have to go to the institute website and do it on or before 1 January for May cycle and on or before 1 July for November cycle. CA Final exams consist of 8 papers, which are again divided into 2 groups, that is Group 1 consists of 4 papers and Group 2 consists of 4 papers each. This is as per your discretion if you want to appear for both groups at once or at a different time. To clear CA Final exams, you have to score 40% or more marks in each of the exams and 50% or more marks in the aggregate of all the exams. Once you have cleared the CA Final exams, you can now call yourself a Chartered Accountant. And if you want to read more about CA course in India, I am attaching some links in the description box below which will direct you towards the articles published by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India on the Chartered Accountancy course. If you have any doubts or questions, you can reach out to me through LinkedIn. I am adding the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, comment and share it with your friends and who might need this video. For more such video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.